Right, good morning, welcome back. Okay, with the Sportster project, which has been rolling on a long time, I know, there are, believe it or not, just 3 jobs left to do. I've got to wire up the lights and indicators and make sure everything works and it spins over and has got a spark. Also then the next job, I've got to plumb in the brakes with custom made braided brake lines and pressure switch. And then finally, it will be put the fluids in, a full safety check and fire it up. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's do the least favourite of those 3 jobs. Today, let's sign off the wiring once and for all. Let's go. Right, there we are. Everything connected, a nice tidy install, but I didn't show everything. It's really boring. Wiring is the most mind-numbing thing to watch. So I've just gone through it all. Everything's neat, tidy and clipped away. And I've done some nice work on the loom just to make it a little bit tidier as well. Now, the battery, I wanted a new battery for the project. Obviously, I've got a Motorbat Black Quad Flex, but it's got painting on the side. The genuine Harley batteries come plain on this side because they're designed on this particular model of bike to be exposed. Now you can buy covers for that with kind of live to ride, but I shan't be doing that. I'll just get some vinyl to put over that so it's black as the original battery would have been. That'd be fine. And then everything's ready to go. Now I do have spark because I've got power to the coils. We turn the ignition on, the coils are powered up, so there's definitely no problem. It will spark, but I'm not going to turn it over to prove that because there's no oil in the oil tank yet. But I can check the lights. So let's go around everything, make sure all the lights work. Then there's another big job signed off and we are that little bit closer. Let's go.